Tapos madagdagan pa yung weight ko, lalo pa akong tataba. Until the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you. Pandak lang po ako, sir. Ikaw, ilang ano ba? Ilang inches ba ang height mo? Tell me, where did I go wrong? How could I get to make you smile? I love completely. Ano po yun, sir, na retracted po yung message mo? Nakita mo naman ako, sir. Pandak lang ako. O, diba? Thank you. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe. Can't you see I love you? Please don't break my heart in two. It's not hard to do, 'cause I don't have a wanting heart. And if you say goodbye, then I know that I would cry. Bacolod po ako, Sir Sonji. Ikaw po, saan po kayo? Bacolod, Negros Occidental. It's not hard. Yes, finish. I'm here now in the room. Okay, Baguio po kayo. Ano pong work nyo dyan, sir? Anong work mo dyan sa Damam? Damam ka, di ba? I just have a dream that we're far away, and that someone else was in your arms today. Ganun. Paano ko naman mahulaan yan? Hindi nga kita nakita. Kahit ano kung ano uniform mo. At least yung pinapahulaan ko sa'yo, nakikita mo naman, di ba? And I know it's just a dream.